inside this, and there are 10 colors available, and this is ABCD and the numbers, alphabets and numbers, and these are the shapes which is included in this box. And here is, so this is complete detail what and all are there, like roller, designer pad, dough knife, stamper, letter and numbers, cutter, all these things you can see here. So let's open it. Wow, so you can see you can see here, these are the shapes which are included in this. Look, build quality is very good. These are the alphabets and numbers. These are the cutters and all for the clay. And these are the shapes comes with this, like fish, teddy bear, tree, leaves, honeybee and monkey face. Okay, and you can use this as a for shapes also. Let's open this one and we'll see what and all tools are available in this. So you can see here are 4 tools. So these are the alphabets and numbers. So we will open this also. So you can see. Okay, so we have to hold this one, and if you press it, it will become a Z. Okay, you can see all these are there. So this is all the alphabets and numbers. These are the shapes complete this. Let's open this one here. So you can see like circle, triangle, this is lion, this is penguin. Like this, there are so many shapes. This is aeroplane, guitar. So there are so many shapes are there in this. So this is another set of shapes, and it has knife also. So you can see this is monkey face, this is butterfly, this is the cutter, and this here I guess you have to put 2 roller and just roll it and press it so it will give you the shape. Green, orange, pink, blue, brown, red, yellow, purple, white, and the purple. So these are complete 10 colors. Let's see what else is there inside. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, this is another sheet. Okay, this is again good. Here you can see this is for wall, river, bubbles. This is scale kind of thing. Okay, behind also there are few more shapes: monkey, crabfish, octopus, starfish, helicopter, car, ship, butterfly, tree, flower, honeybee. Yeah, so this is complete set. This is for the instructions how you do it. Okay, so that's all in this. I'll just open one color box and see the clay. The clay is very good quality. So hope you like the video. Bye bye.